Alright guys, today I'm unboxing this backpack sprayer. Sprayers Plus sent it to me to try out. This isn't going to be a full review video, this is just going to be me checking it out. I might put some water in it and play with it a little bit, but I will be using it soon. I'll do a real review once I've used it quite a bit to get figure it all out. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so inside here, I've got this little black tube. Now it's got this orange plug that you're supposed to use. You take it off and you put that on, and it says to, before you store it, plug it back up for long-term storage to keep the motor moist, I guess. Interesting, this goes inside, whereas other lids I've seen go around the top. So it'll be interesting to see if that makes any difference. It's got a nice solid size. Looks like it'd be pretty easy to mix. If I use a paint mixer, I will have to be sure not to get it caught in that, but should be fine. This wand, it feels like metal. I'll have to read the manual, see if it is metal, but it feels very durable, and it's still got the clear tubing, which I like, so you can see the product's coming out right. Now these are pretty nice. They got a nice material. We'll see how they do durability wise, but it looks pretty easy, or pretty comfortable. Then we got, of course, the charger. Let's see where it goes. Interesting. Oops. So it appears the on-off switch is right here, so you can't turn it off while, let's get the light. On-off switch is here, so you'll have to take it off to turn it on or off. And then to get the battery, you got to put it in here, which is interesting. There's a pump. So what is interesting about this is it appears if the pump goes, you should be able to replace it. It looks like that you could actually service this. See if we can do this one-handed. Boom. Am I gonna really need 2 hands for this? I guess I do. Yeah. All right. All right, got that in. That was easy. Now it did say that you could get some ridiculous amount of sprays out of this. I think it was 96 gallons on one charge. So the fact that this is sealed in, I think is a good thing, because it'll keep any moisture, especially when you're rinsing it out, from getting anywhere near that stuff. So I see why they do that. This is metal. I mean, it looks good. You get the 2 nozzles. I think I'm going to actually try these nozzles. I usually just go straight for the T-Jets, but I'm going to try these out and play with them a bit. The question is, does that battery have any charge? Yes? Yes, it does. So why don't we fill this up with some water and play with it a little bit. Always play with the sprayer with water first. I have had a backpack sprayer that brand new leaked, and so if you put in chemicals and you haven't thoroughly tested it, you end up with chemicals all over your body, and that's not good. So play with it with water, get used to it, see if there's any differences before you start using it with actual products. Got your fan, your Alright, so far it feels good. I'll probably loosen these a little bit so it's easier to get on, but yeah, looks good. The only thing is I'm probably going to put the T-Jet nozzles on because there's two fan tip sprayers here, nozzles, and they both seem to be very fine spray. So I like to use a coarse spray. I usually use a sprayer to apply products to the soil, so I want a coarse spray, and those were both pretty fine. So I'll have to look at the manual and see what their deal is on that. But yeah, I feel like feels pretty good. It's got solid construction. I can't wait to actually try it for a while and see, you know, how it compares. Yeah, it's interesting. It feels, swishing it back and forth, it feels like the water's all top heavy, so it's swinging back and forth. But we'll see what actually matters and what doesn't. So stay tuned. If you have any questions about this sprayer, anything you want to know, please comment. I'll try to answer them in the future videos. I mean, oops, no, I was spraying over it. I do feel like this part is a big reach though so far, and it's, I don't know if it'll loosen up over time, but it's very high pressure to push this. I'll have to compare to the others. I don't remember them being this much of a reach, but I could just be nitpicking. We'll see. All right, bye. All right, just a quick tip. You can reach with your hand and feel the switch to easily turn it on and off. So that's actually not an issue. Just realize that. So any other questions, feel free to post them. Alright, I appreciate you guys watching my videos. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that fun stuff. It's what makes this really enjoyable and fun, making all these videos. And be sure to check out the ones below. Have a great day. Bye.